In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track income in Freshbooks, the intuitive invoice and accounting software designed for small businesses. If you're managing a business or freelancing, keeping tabs on your income efficiently is crucial for maintaining financial health. Freshbooks makes it relatively simple, and I'm here to guide you through every step. To start with, logging into Freshbooks is your first stop. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Invoices section. This is your hub for any income that comes directly from invoices you've sent out to clients. In the top right corner, you'll notice a checkmark icon. Go ahead and tap that. This will allow you to select the invoices that you want to mark as paid. Once you've made your selections, click on Mark As and choose the Mark as Paid option. You will then be prompted to enter the payment details. Be as specific as possible here to ensure your records are precise. After entering the necessary details, simply click Add, and you're done with this part. For income not linked to invoices, which I like to call other income, let's head to the Payments section in Freshbooks. Look for the Other Income tab. That's where you want to be. By clicking the plus icon next to All Other Income, you can easily add additional sources of income. It's important to specify both the source and the total amount to maintain clear records. FreshBooks also allows you to indicate if this income is taxable, providing options to add any relevant taxes. After that, select the payment method and finally click the check icon to save your entry. This feature is particularly handy for tracking client payments or any miscellaneous income that may come your way. Now that your income is tracked correctly, let's talk about viewing reports. This is a critical step for those who wish to maintain a bird's eye view of their finances. Navigate to the Reports section and look for the Income Statement or Profit and Loss Report. Both are integral in providing a summary of your financial standing. You have the flexibility to generate these reports for various time frames, whether monthly, quarterly, or annually, depending on your needs. These reports give you a comprehensive view of your total revenue, expenses, and your net income or loss, offering invaluable insights into your business's financial health. Following these steps will ensure you have a clear and organized view of your income within FreshBooks. If you have any questions or need more detailed guidance, feel free to check out additional FreshBooks tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!